How to edit group affiliation on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to edit your group affiliation on Facebook app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Facebook, click on it. Now click on those three lines and go to your page. And here scroll over and click on more and go to your group. Once you find your group, click on it, the group you want, and here you're gonna find, click on, and here you're gonna find edit. Click on it and you're gonna find edit group affiliation. And this is it, click on it. So you have group affiliation. You can turn on or off this option wherever you want. Easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.